Hello, my name is Kingsford Uram Foley, an IT support specialist. What is a virtual machine? A virtual machine is a software that is a software-based computer that runs on a physical machine. It behaves like a real computer or with its own operating system and applications. Virtual machines are created and managed using a technology called hypervisor. What is a hypervisor? A hypervisor is a software that allows multiple or even a single virtual machine or VM to run on a physical, computer. It allows hardware resources like the CPU, memory, storage, etc. for networking and even networking for the virtual machine. It ensures the virtual machine runs independently and securely as well. There are two types of hypervisors. The type 1, which runs directly on a physical machine, physical hardware, does not require a host operating system to run. It's commonly used in an enterprise and business environment. It offers better performance and security, of course, with the investment in the hardware and all that. Examples of that is Microsoft Hyper-V and VMware. The second one is called the Type 2 hypervisor, which is hosted on an operating system. It's easier to set up and commonly used for testing and training or learning purposes. It's suitable for IT support, training, and troubleshooting, like I said earlier. Examples of that are virtual, VMware workstation and VirtualBox. There are, the components of a virtual machine. Has components, of course, and its components are a virtual CPU that handles the processing tasks, a virtual RAM that allows the operating system and applications to run, a virtual storage that acts as the virtual machine's hard drive, a virtual network adapter that enables the network and internet access, and of course the hypervisor, which allows all this to happen. Virtualization is used in IT and help desk environment mostly, and how it is used is that it is sometimes used as a test to test softwares and updates without affecting user devices. It sometimes helps in troubleshooting issues like recreating problems, real world problems in a virtual environment, and then you test it out and see if it it also uses snapshots and backups that helps to quickly recover and restore systems. In a business environment, there are so many advantages when you use the virtual machine, and one of the advantages, I think the number one advantage, is the lower cost in setting up computer systems or data centers or hardwares, data for data storage. It reduces the cost of energy and all that. It also reduces the downtime, and it has a faster recovery rate. It can also be scaled up to as big as you want if you want to scale it up, and it's very flexible to manage. It creates an easy to manage environment, IT environment. It also improves security, because when something happens, it doesn't necessarily affect the main computers, because tests can be run on the virtual environments and all that before. So what I would say I know about virtualization is, as an IT support professional, I'll use virtualization and hypervisors to safely test, changes, resolve issues faster, and then support user efficiency, you know, while minimizing downtime and, of course, cost. Thank you.